Hi, Ate Joe. I've been in a 2 month relationship with my current boyfriend. At first, I was fine with him being friendly because we started as friends. However, lately, I have been feeling anxious and I admitted that I get jealous when he teases some of my friends, who are also his friends. I can't help but overthink because he's handsome. I trust him, but I feel like our relationship won't last long because of my overthinking. He seems to follow a lot of girls, and I saw him liking photos of girls in bikinis, which made me feel insecure. He also criticizes me, telling me how I should be. I don't know how to bring up the topic of his following girls from an all girls school. Hello and welcome to Letters to Joe. If you guys want to hear advice from me, if you want to send your entries or your letters, you guys can send yours in the link in my bio or in the caption below. Now, this is actually a really good topic to talk about. But first, gusto ko muna mag-disclaimer to whoever is listening right now that whatever that works for me and kay Kuya Les Paul nyo doesn't mean that it will work for each and every relationship out there. It's very similar to having different personalities. You and I have different personalities. You and I have different decision making. So please tread lightly. We're only here to give advice and to share our experiences. Doesn't mean that everyone else is doing it on social media that you should too. It's still, I would rather still suggest that you create your own way of figuring out how to compromise within your relationship. All right, now that is done and you're here, I caught you. Listen up carefully. Sige, kwento na lang muna ako ha. In the beginning, let's go back to the very beginning of Les Paul and Ate Joe's relationship. It is not all that perfect. We may seem like, well, sabi ng iba, perfect daw kami, di ba? That's not coming from Les and I's phones or it's not coming from Les and I's mouth, but most people say that we're green flag. We've never even said that we are, but we really are thankful for those people who look up to us and say that we are green flag. But I'm telling you, it's not always like that, especially when we're not online. Kasi totoo naman, sino ba namang taong mag-share ng mga malulungkot online, 'di ba? Well, siguro merong iba, pero kumbaga sa amin ni Les Paul, gusto namin happy-happy lang, 'di ba? Gusto namin masaya lang kayo, yung mga nanonood, masaya lang, then happy na kami. Ang hirap naman nun, 'di ba, kapag nag-aaway kami ta's biglang ire-record ko. Eh, di sana ang hirap nun, parang parang magiging scripted tuloy yung away namin. Parang maiilang tuloy kami kapag when I start recording, we're in the heat of the argument, 'di ba? Like, let's be real here. Ang hirap din talaga. Minsan iniisip ko rin na, dapat bang ipakita ko sa kanila kung paano kami mag-away? Pero kasi kapag nag-aaway kami, we're in the heat of the moment. Hindi mo na maiisip na, okay, let me just put up my phone. Kahit nga kapag may mga masasayang moments, I kid you not, there's so much moments in Les and I's, when Les and I are together, na sobrang saya namin, tapos magre-record ako, tapos wala na. Hindi na masaya, hindi na niya uulitin kasi nga, wala na yung moment. Hindi na namin maulit, di ba? But anyway, I digress. All I'm saying that is that in the beginning, Les and I's relationship isn't all that perfect. We've also had like bits and pieces of arguments here and there na most of you guys have been sending us in letters to Joe na, oo naman, naranasan ko yung mga ganyang bagay na sa una kasi, now I think about it, nagla-like ba si Les ng mga girls' pictures? Yeah. Yeah, he does. Did I ever had a problem with it? No, I've never had a problem with it. Now, why? That is a very good question, Joe. Bakit nga ba parang hindi ka naman nagkaroon ng issue about liking other girls' pictures? Siguro parang, actually, oo. Ang gulo mo, Ate Joe, oo ba o hindi? I feel like I did, pero hindi siya natuloy. Listen up. Okay. Let me explain kung bakit hindi siya natuloy. Kasi whenever I tell it to him, sinasabi ko sa kanya, like yung mga ibang girls yun, ganyan. He always says na, oh, because, I admire girls, kanyan, I know a girl when maganda siya and sexy siya. And Ako, bahala na yung ibang tao, 'di ba, kung what they think of Les when he says that kapag kinukuwento ko yun. Pero ako rin naman nag-a-agree ako. Nag-a-agree ako na kapag yung mga nila-like niyang girls, ang gaganda nga nila, 'no? Gaganda nila, ta's model sila. Siguro sa akin in the beginning, parang di ako masyado nagka-issue because most of these girls were actually public figures. Let's say Jessie Menjola in earlier days niya. I'm not saying that she's not sexy. I'm not saying she's not pretty right now. All I'm saying is that back then, nung bago pa lang kami nila, my goodness, ang ganda talaga niya. 'Di ba? Kahit ako yung selos ko, mahihiya na lang eh. You know what I mean? Parang, kumbaga may hangganan yung ano ko, yung, let me just fix my mic. I'm so sorry about that. Kumbaga may hangganan yung pinagsaselosan ko. You know what I mean? Alam mo yung minsan merong, 'di ba, karamihan sa atin, may mga K-pop biases. Ako actually, lately lang ako nagkaroon ng bias. I'm a carrot, by the way. My bias is Mingyu. My bias record is lahat sila. It's Mingyu and then against the rest of everyone, right? Back to the topic. Kumbaga may hangganan lang siya. Siguro magkakaroon ako ng issue if less like a photo who's also commenting, who's also messaging this girl and is a private account. Yung hindi siya public figure. Yung ganun. Yung alam mo talaga yung intention niya is to catch this girl's attention and to pursue this girl. Ayan. Actually, you know what? Tapusin na natin tong podcast. Long story short, it boils down to intentions. Ate Jo, paano mo naman malalaman yung intention ng lalaki? Ganyan. Actually, alam mo, I don't know about you. Because ako, in my relationship, I know my boyfriend's intentions. If hindi mo alam yon in your relationship, well, I think it's about time for you to get to know your partner even more. Wala pa kayo dun sa moment na, ay, alam ko kung anong pakay nitong lalaking to. Because you know, us women, I'm gonna put all of us in a high chair. High chair? Naging mga sanggol tayo, no? Us women, if we feel something sa gut natin, 100%. I'm not even gonna say like 99%. Ano to, germs? No, 100% our gut. Totoo yan. So, Ate Jo, paano ko malalaman yung intention ng partner ko? Ikaw lang makakasagot nun. I swear. Ikaw lang talaga. Because if you ask me that, alam ko yung sagot ng kung ano yung intention ng boyfriend ko. And even if he was liking photos of public personalities online, I just know because he just likes them. That's it. He's not gonna slide into their DMs. He's not gonna comment on the post. He's not gonna pursue that attraction the way that he pursued me. The way that he pursued our relationship. Diba? And, if pakiramdam mo na ganun yung mangyayari, or, to be honest with you, you don't have to agree with me. Honestly, like, you don't have to agree with me. If you feel like public personality pa lang, parang hindi ka na comfortable, sabihin mo, you have to let your partner know that you're uncomfortable. Because between you and I, between this podcast and you, sino lang ba yung makakaayos ng relationship niyo? Hindi naman ako, 'di ba? Alangan naman, Ate Jo, kausapin mo nga yung partner ko, ayoko nagla-like siya ng pics. Sige, send nyo sa akin sa Instagram. Charot. No naman. But to be honest with you and to be straight up with you, sabihin mo sa partner mo that you are uncomfortable. I think that you said that hindi mo alam kung how to bring up the topic of him following girls from an all-girls school, but it begins with communicating with your partner. I know you're gonna say na ang hirap, hindi ko talaga ma-open up Ate Jo. Hindi ko talaga kaya. Pero sige, hindi mo i-open up or kikimkimin mo yan. O sige, bahala ka. Inaway ka. No, I'm kidding. But to be honest with you, it all begins with the feeling of being uncomfortable with your partner having to open stuff up like that. Kasi if hindi mo kayang i-open up yung mga bagay na ganyan, ngayon pa lang it will bottle up And then, again, it's a card that you've been holding for quite a while. Pag sumabog ka, magugulat yung partner mo, and you guys will end up breaking up. I know I'm too blunt, but most of the time that happens. I'm telling you, I've had a bit of relationships here and there for for me to tell that. But mostly it happens like that. Yung pag nagbabottle up ka ng feelings mo, tapos nabibigla yung partner mo, di ba? Ang unfair naman nun sa partner mo na bibiglain mo siya, tapos you're asking agad ng kung paano gagawin. You're asking for a solution agad na bigla mo siyang sinabihan ng problema. This person didn't even know that you had stuff like this, di ba? So, deep breath, relax, find the perfect time to open this up to your partner. Again, mas kilala mo yung partner mo kaysa sa akin. So, you will know when the perfect time is. Although, siguro, nandito ka na rin if you're really asking for my advice. Really open up problems like this kapag yung masaya kayo. And then always open it up with a way of creating a solution for it. Yung relax lang kayo, yung nag-uusap kayo, yung hindi kailangan nagsisigawan, yung hindi kailangan parang laging tense nung room, laging tense nung mga pinag-uusapan nyo, but really come from a place of wanting to fix a problem that you've had for a while now. Yun naman yun eh, di ba? It's always about, kasi between you and me, ikaw ba may kinig ka sa taong sinisigawan ka? Di ba? Hindi. Kung oo, ewan ko sa'yo. Diba? Like, to be honest with you, kahit ako pag sinisigawan ako, ayoko nga makinig sa'yo. Bakit mo ba ako sinisigawan? Diba? So you have to come from a place of concern. A place of, hey, boyfriend, jowa, girlfriend, whatever it is that you call each other. I really want us to sit down, and I have something that's been bothering me. I really hope you can sit down and find the solution for this. And sometimes, when you do this, please wag rin mag-expect na agad-agad magiging okay. It will take time. It will take time for an information na bigla nyo pinag-usapan tapos you'll expect na okay agad kayo. You may not know the solution agad-agad, but it takes this step for you guys to open up to each other. 'Di ba? At least, yung uncomfortability na hindi ko alam kung paano kayo open up yung topic na to na nagpa-follow siya ng mga girls sa mga all-girls school, medyo mawawala na siya dahan-dahan, 'di ba? And, if your partner starts being defensive and say, okay, friends ko lang naman sila, wala naman yon, there's nothing going on, okay, you trust your partner, sure. But, if nalaman mo that he started pursuing these girls, then alam mo na. Alam mo na kung anong gagawin mo. 'Di ba? That means, your partner lost a gem. Your partner lost a gem na pinagkakatiwalaan mo siya, pero sinayang niya. 'Di ba? So yun, I really hope that helped. Again, thank you so much to you guys who've been sending your letters here at Letters to Joe. If you guys want to hear some more advice from me, you can send your entries in the link in my bio or in the caption below. Again, Letters to Joe, new episodes every Saturday at 1 p.m. Thanks, guys. Bye!